Hi, I'm Jeremiah Brodie with Franklin Electric Little Giant. We are at AHR 2025 in Orlando, Florida. We're going to be talking about some new products that we have for neutralizer, tank pump combo, as well as canisters. So when we walk through here, if you come on over, you can see here that we have a pump and tank combo for neutralizer. This is going to be for high condensing boilers, high condensing efficient water heaters, as well as any furnaces as well. And what we realize is that, you know, as these have been installed for the last 30 years, that the more efficient they are, the higher acidity that the condensate has inside of it. And so what we want to do is we want to make sure that we have an option to neutralize this before it goes into your sewer or your septic system or even back down into the ground. And we've had this, there was a company that has been using our pump for this for like the last 7-8 years, and we have a great partnership with them, and we are launching this as the Little Giant VCMA 20 NPTC. So this has a 20-foot shutoff head, 80 gallon per hour max flow rate. It has an inlet for the condensing units, so we can neutralize that. This also has 3 other ports, so if you do have an AC unit that's producing condensation that's not acidic, we can actually put this in here as well and just use it as a regular condensate pump. Now we also have canisters. So if you have a gravity drain, this is something that you can just mount inline. So for the 300,000 BTU or less unit, we can mount this horizontally or vertically. Now when we talk about a 200,000 BTU or less, we actually make a specific unit that'll be installed vertically as well as horizontally. So these are just great options to have. Every bit of the media is going to be found from the earth. There's a mixture of, you know, different calcites that is going to be in the rock form. So when you look at our media, it's actually going to have more surface area, so we can go through and have more contact with this, and it's going to neutralize that. And we're also going to have a little bit more longevity to this product, because we recommend that you change these out about once a year. That's going to be general maintenance, right? But for installation, for these canisters, you just simply unscrew the union, and then you can actually pull the sock out and then replace it. And then for the replacement units, we're actually going to have an O-ring. It's going to have that sock with the media in it, and then this will actually be attached, you know, either to 3/4 inch or 1/2 inch. So this is going to be for plumbing, and we just want to make it really as easy to install and maintain as possible. So this is what we're launching here. This is the NC-2 series for the canisters, as well as the VCMA 20 NPTC. That's going to be our new product for AHR 2025. So here we have the VCMA 20 Pro. This is a pump that we launched probably 3 years ago. And what it is it's really looking at what we've always had with great success with the VCMA 15 and the VCMA 20. But with the VCMA 20 Pro, we have just a couple more features, such as an external safety switch, which is basically overflow protection. And this can either be wired to shut off the unit, or if you take this auxiliary clip, so it's either NO or NC, we can move this so it can be connected to a low voltage alarm, and it's going to alert you that this is overflowing. We also have a safety test run lever switch, which is basically good for engineering facilities that, or a building engineer that can come in and just really test the operation of this rather than filling it up with water. And then here's a piece that we have. This is going to be a 1/4 turn check valve. Now, on our standard VCMA 15 and VCMA 20, that has a threaded check valve. When you have a 1/4 turn check valve, that just means that you can 1/4 turn this, remove it, you can keep that discharge on there so you're not getting a lot of water and liquid all over the place. And we also have a sump style tank, which is going to be on here. So this is going to lower that volute down below the baseline of that tank. And this is actually going to take that water level and drain it down even further than what it was before. And it's going to basically decrease the amount of algae or mildew or anything that could grow inside here. So for the same price point of a VCMA 20 Pro, it's the same price point as a VCMA 20, and you get all the bells and whistles. And another main difference is that we have a smaller, nice footprint on here so it can fit into tighter spaces. So this is the VCMA 20 Pro, available in 115 volt and 230 volt with a 3-year warranty.